we're here and we're out in the exact same wash that we were in last time. Exactly, pretty much the same spot, maybe 100 yards closer to the beach store, but we're in wash 28. It's busy. It's Wednesday. It is the 30th, and we're just getting camp set up. Randall's coming in tonight, Randall and Tiffany, and we've got another guy that's going to be joining us for rides, but tough luck was he has a rental service for a trailer, so they drop it. Well, they only go out so far, so I think he's going to be in wash 15, and we'll just end up meeting up with him for some rides. But camp's pretty well set up. I think we're going to get settled in for the evening, make a cocktail, turn on some music, and just enjoy the rest of the day. We got 3 full days out here, and we'll be rolling out Wednesday, so it's going to be a big trip. Rolling out Sunday is what I mean. Today's Wednesday. We leave Sunday. So anyways, guys, we're going to get cracking on enjoying this this evening. So we'll check back with you in a bit. John's got his pair of betas here and refused. He said he's so good and so fast. Sand tires don't mean shit to this guy.
Don't start.
He is ready to rock. Flag situation?
I got one.
You got one? So the 430 is the bike you're taking out?
Yeah.
What year is it, John?
20.
20? Brand new.
Yeah.
So pretty. Well, we're going to break them in right anyways. He's on. Figured we'd take him to China Wall right off the bat. He's doing good. But we're back and got it. It's a good looking bike. They're somewhere right over this dune, and I think we're gonna go ahead and start taking John back towards camp, try to find some smaller dunes that have been run a lot so that they're a little bit firmer. But overall, man, guy did great. Randall's, oh, they swapped bikes. Randall's on the beta now.
So he's pretty spent.
Yeah, I figured we just...
That's what he said, just get him pointed back to the, or we'll take him back by the trailer and then you and I can...
Yeah.
get a little more ride in.
Yeah.
This thing is sweet, man. You got to ride it.
Is it pretty good?
God, it's so lightweight and so
Nimble.
easy steering and
Yeah.
stuff. It just seems like it just really turns nice on the sand.
Good looking bike though. I like the betas, man. They're just a super clean bike. They look really well built. Randall just ordered a 500 RR 2021. He's going to be picking up here in the next couple of weeks, so pretty excited to try that bike out. That's the next bike I actually wanted. Anyways, we're going to get John figured out here, get him back to camp, and me and Randall might go on a little bit more of a ride by ourselves. So stay tuned for that. Bye, bye, bye. See ya.
So we just got back from the ride, and man, to John's credit, did really good with no paddle tire. Like that's a lot of work, and he did great. A little spent, a little bit tired, but I think he had a good time. So we're just hanging out for the minute, had a little bit of lunch, and we're gonna get everybody loaded into the side-by-sides and go do some driving.
Yeah.
That's pretty much the whole plan right now. So yeah, we're gonna head out somewhere, and I think John's gonna ride with Randall. So anyway, it's gonna be a good time. That's next. All right, bye. know, John did pretty good. We got him back in one piece anyways. And it is 2 o'clock. Everybody seems to be eating. That's the theme right now. And we've got a heck of a dinner planned for tonight for New Year's night. This is New Year's night?
Yeah. It's
Right?
the 31st.
Yeah.
All day.
So, yeah, we're going to be smoking some tenderloin and all kinds of good stuff. So, I don't know what the rest of the day is going to bring. It might just be mellow, so we might just sign off day one right now. Because once I start drinking and I start slurring, I don't want to do this anymore. Because then you guys will make fun of me. So, yeah, we might just be hanging out the rest of the day. If that's the case, we'll see you first thing tomorrow morning for day 2. And today was a lot of fun. A lot of people at the hill. It was a good time. I don't know if I got any footage of the Funkos that were stuck, that we unstuck. But that was interesting, too. We had a big group of people, a couple of stuck handrails out there. So, good day overall. Had lots of fun, good rides. And that's it, guys. So we might be checking in with you manana. All right, until then, peace.